Alright, so this is us. We're home. When you first walk in. Hi guys.
Hi.
Taking a little video.
This little thing fell off. It was on the floor.
The first walkthrough of our little apartment.
You could be in it, Adam. Wait, you guys have a gas stove? Yeah. Oh, you could do that. Yeah.
This is our kitchen. You're gonna be in the video either way, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
This is Kristen's room. Nice carpet, and it came with a nice little dresser for her. Her closet. Okay. Go back out here. And right next door, here's my room. And this little room in here is my closet. My little closet that I don't know if it'll be big enough to hold a small family. Our bathroom. All new appliances and whatnot. And that's the grand tour.